Hey boys, happy Tuesday. I hope you guys had a good Easter weekend and got to rest and maybe spend some time with family in your house. Today we are going to go ahead and get started with our daily warm-up. Today's daily warm-up is going to be the one that starts with Joan has 41 baseball cards. So go ahead and look through your word problems that I put in your packet at the last pickup, and you're looking for the one that says Joan has 41 baseball cards. You can go ahead and pause the audio while you look for that and then come back once you have it. All right, I'm going to go ahead and read those word problems. Today we're going to do number 1, 2, and 3. Remember that I want you to try to do it on your own without any help from an adult so that I can see what you did. After you solve, you're going to hang on to it until Thursday, and then after we finish the warm-up Thursday, you will snap a pic, upload it so that I can see how you did. So we're going to go ahead and get started with number 1. Joan has 41 baseball cards. Sandy bought 19 of Joan's baseball cards. How many baseball cards does Joan have now? Go ahead and circle your numbers. Look for a keyword. Write your problem off to the side and solve. You can go ahead and pause the audio while you're working and then come back for number 2. Number 2. There are 23 scissors in the drawer. Dan placed 11 more scissors in the drawer. How many scissors are now there in all? Go ahead and pause while you solve and then come back. Number 3. Tom had 32 quarters in his bank. He spent 27 of his quarters. How many quarters does he have now? Go ahead and circle your numbers, look for a keyword, write your problem and solve, and just go ahead and put that away and save for Thursday where we will do a few more.